Okie dokie. Let's get on a motorbike backwards. Oh no, another river crossing.
Oh no, this is not as bad as the last one.
It's so deep and treacherous. You should go first to see how slippery it is.
Okay.
Just because it was hilarious watching you go over it like yesterday. Oh, whoa.
Yep.
I didn't expect this hill climb to be that bad.
There we go. Oh yeah. You good back there?
Yeah, just concentrating.
Beautiful.
Because the elevation gain is obscene.
Yep. You're right. Okay, that was yeah. Let's put it on back again. Go on. That's pretty impressive. If I do say so myself.
It's not surprisingly difficult.
No, it wasn't too bad. We only had one half casualty that we were able to what's the word I'm looking for?
Mend.
Oh, I couldn't English then. My brain farted. Oh. Where are we stopping?
Somewhere with a shade.
Okay. We'll probably stop somewhere down Main Street then.
Yeah. High Street, you mean?
Yeah, sure.
Ah, yes, the suburbs of Hill End. God,
I think it's still scraping.
nah, it's not too bad. Your indicator's still on. Nah, it's alright. It's away from it.
Oh, okay. I wonder what that noise is then.
Man, I don't know if it's your tyre, but your rear wheel's wobbly as hell.
Really?
Your indicator's still on as well.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, it might just be like dirt on it or something, but it looks wobbly.
Okay. We'll check that. That's fine.
Denison Street. Oh, there's a pool! Great place, Old Hill End.
Oh, yeah.
So much history.
So much history.
We get to go see the... Is it a Maxim gun or a fucking Vickers?
I think it's a Maxim.
Oh, I want to say it's like a captured German. There's like a story behind it. It was captured somewhere and put on display because apparently Australians do that. We just steal shit.
We just steal shit all the time. I mean, we are technically British, so it's right up our alley.
Yeah, a little fucking machine gun.
Right in our wheelhouse.
Part of the colonies. Oh, the Royal Hotel.
God, yeah, there's no shade all out here.
Yeah. No matter where you go, there's always a Royal. Machine gun from the Great War. Isn't that right, Jack?
Yeah.
Families and stuff. The more you know.
Cool, we don't have to give way here, that's good, because I wasn't slowing down.
Yeah, same. Sketchy bridge.
Alright, we turn off here. This is the turn off.
Excellent. What do you call it?
What do I call what?
This place.
There's a couple of different names. 3-hole, and then it's got a
Big Oaky.
Big Oaky, it's got a couple of different names.
Yeah, a lot of people call it Big Oaky. Like young people call it Big Oaky.
Yeah.
I think because that's the name of that property right there.
Yeah, right.
Which makes sense because this is like their backyard.
Yeah, it is. What a backyard.
Yeah, literally.
Fucking hell.
Oh god, the people. Oh my
Busy.
lord.
Jesus Christ, fucking tent city over here.
Oh my god. Yeah, no, this ain't it. The river's up. Oh, Jesus, the river's looking good.
Yeah, that's awesome, eh?
Oh, that's slippery, mate.
Yep.
Oh, so is this. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I nearly fell off, but that's alright.
As long as you didn't.
Oh yeah.
So we can come back to that if there's no spots over here. We go right here. Okay, there's heaps of room here, that's good. Which is probably where we're going to have to go, because over there's fucking packed.
It's alright, in here's fine. It's a bit depressing that this. I guess the youth's not camping, he's probably just fishing.
Yeah.
And there's trees. Oh, fuck me dead. We are, just Jack's getting ready.
Oh.
Thought I'd just, at least make a start, considering we filmed absolutely nothing at camp. We just basically got here, set up and swam around and ate all our food. Because this is the last day. Get to go home the fucking most inconvenient route possible. But isn't that the point of adventure riding? It's alright, it'll warm up as you ride there, big fella. God, that just... Ugh. Yeah, do that. It's alright. Don't you worry. Don't mind the bread, feed the ducks. Let's go.
Alright, turn left when you get to that T intersection.
What T intersection?
This one just up here.
Is it like some sketchy uphill section?
Ah, it's not too bad.
Oh, famous last words.
Yeah, pretty much. You'll be right.
It's alright. Ooh. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, wow. Gotta stand up for this one. Okay. Actually, I don't think we filmed anything after Sofala yesterday.
Yeah, we filmed getting to the
Did we?
campsite.
Oh, that's right.
Yep.
Cool, where are we going? Oh, fuck.
Straight. You're going straight. They're the same road. It's all good.
I'm
They just meet back up.
just trying. Ooh. Try not to die, you know. Oh, that is the worst sounding motorbike ever.
Oh, hey, guy on a bike.
I didn't see that. Hey, I was a bit confused.
It's man on a bicycle.
He's got a little trailer. What a lad. Oh, fuck me dead. Nearly binned that.
Hey, there's another water crossing here.
Oh, wow. That's a... Ooh, I don't want wet feet.
Yeah, I don't really want wet feet either. It's also pretty deep because it's up over the bollards.
I mean, the bollard looks really short.
It does.
I mean, you could always just like lift your feet up. Don't put your feet down on this one, eh?
Could give it a crack. You can go first this time. I went first last time.
Right. Yeah, I'm still wet.
Yeah, you look
I'm
wet.
quite damp. It's not like bad, it's like the inside of my shoes is still dry. Nice.
Mine aren't. my right one's wet, but my left one's okay.
Oh, that's alright. At least we're back on
That's okay.
We're on some dirt now.
Lovely. This fucking shit.
God, there's another causeway.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's this one look
Yeah,
like?
not too bad. Fucking rocks in the middle of it.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, it's flooded it. Oh, wow.
Yeah. That's why the rocks are there.
Yeah. So that's part of the causeway too.
Yep.
But I reckon last time it flooded, it all got washed out, so they cut a new road.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm just concerned at how deep that looks.
It does look
Can
big.
see how it does that?
Yeah. Maybe go in the bit that does that.
You just drop in and just smack the lip, whoop, drop down, snap,
Well, I like the last one.
Alright, give it a red hot crack.
Right on.
Oh yeah, it's fine. It's easy. My other foot's wet now though, so that's great. Oh wait, we go this way.
Fuck. Oh god, no. Yeah, I got really wet on that one.
In the arms of the angel.